So mutual funds seems to be an easy option for most of them. Would you tell us what are the top 2 to 3 pieces of advice that beginners can even think about when they're thinking for investing in mutual funds?
Yeah. The first and the most important advice is do not select a fund looking at the past returns. It's like driving looking at the rear. You may always make mistakes. So first try to understand what is the investment objective of the fund, and does that investment objective match with your time frame. Okay, so what I mean by this is, if your time frame is 3 years or 4 years, let's first understand, is that fund good for 3 to 4 years. The second thing is, have patience and don't keep hopping from one fund to another. My experience is that people invest into a fund, see it for a few months, and sometimes the experience is not very good because markets have not been very supportive, and then you sell that fund and hop on to another fund and then to the third fund. So stop hopping, buy a fund and stick on to it for a longer time frame. And I think one more last thing is, limit the number of funds in your portfolio. Because this is a fund, it may not, it already has, 70, 80 stocks. So we don't need a list of 30, 40 funds in your portfolio. You can have 3 to 4 funds, one fund for your emergency corpus, one fund for your, same short-term goal, one for medium term, one for tax saving. So this is the best way to start investing in your mutual funds.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.